Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So at one stage yesterday, it was looking like we were forming a double bottom, and there's the first leg of the double bottom, there's the second leg of the double bottom, but that did not materialize. So we moved back up to the level I gave you yesterday, 42.74, and pretty much bounced off that. And it's not quite the level we're looking for. We were looking for this one here, so we're a little bit short. But if you look to the left, it did pick up the next logical area, if I can put it that way. You can just go to the left and you see what I mean. So you can see there's quite a bit of support that was found here. So this is our line in the sand at the moment, 42.74. Start getting above that, then we can start looking for a trend reversal. For as long as we stay below that, then the trend is still to the downside. Now, this week has been big down, big up, big down, and nothing really exciting happening for me anyway. And oscillators pretty much all over the place, no real indication of anything. We are back grouping to the downside on the hour with oscillators, but you can see what happened yesterday. Big down, big up, big down, big up, big down. So for as long as we're below the moving averages, trend is down, so you should be looking to sell on the hour. Whenever you see this, you're looking for the best opportunity to get in short. Now, quite honest, you could have missed this one. Very easy to miss it, because when you look at it on the hour, that is the area we should be targeting, 42.85 or 42.86, and we didn't quite get to that area. And if I just dropped to the 15-minute, which would have been the charts I would have traded, that's not a tradable chart. So if you look at that, granted we got to the level and there was an opportunity, one leg down, a little bit of a pullback, and then the second leg down. So textbook stuff. But when we're moving up and down below the moving averages like that, I tend to stay away from it. I'm not really interested in it. I'm anticipating a break. When we get above the 155, I'm anticipating a pullback to find support for another move up, and obviously that didn't happen. So at the moment the trend is down. Definitely should be looking for opportunity to short, but looking at what I see now, this could very well be going into a range for today. And there's a whole lot of things going on. I mean, we're all aware of what's going on in the world today, but until some of the politics gets sorted out, I don't think I really can't see an opportunity right now. I suppose that the only one that I would see is a break and retest of 41.44 for a potential short, but I'm reluctant to take the breaks. I'd prefer to see a move back to test a break and then take it. So we'd have to move below this, come back, test it, reject it, and then start rolling before I even consider jumping back in short at these levels. Would like to be jumping in higher up, but there isn't really an opportunity, to be honest. I think the closest one is going to be back up in this area at 42.43, and that just puts us back in a range, and I don't like trading ranges. Trading ranges always burn me, so I prefer to look for the trend, and at the moment I think the trend is stalled, well, at least on the hour. So until we break down below and retest, that would trigger a continuation of the trend and take us down to 4,000. I think 4,000 is still a reasonable target for us to continue looking for. After that, I think you probably find a decent bounce of 4,000, and then see where the rejection area is, if we're going to continue or not. So pay attention. Not really diversions at the moment, but it's looking a little bit. Let's just say it's looking like a big flag. It's saying be very wary. If that makes sense to you guys. So I don't trust it right now. I don't trust it to the upside. I don't trust it to the downside. And that's pretty much the narrative for the DAX and the Dow. So for me, this is a sit on hands. It's been a sit on hands week, and it's probably going to be a sit on hands week until Friday, to be honest. Don't think I'll be made to taking many bets based on what I can see at the moment. Anyway, that's kind of me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.